Hello guys, welcome to jobnews.today YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the most recommended books to prepare for bank PO exams. For bank PO exams we have got three sections: the quantitative aptitude section, the reasoning section, the English section, and then after these three important sections which comes in your pre-examinations, two more sections are added in your mains examinations. These two sections are your computer awareness and your general awareness. So let's talk in detail about the books that you need to consider for preparing for these examinations. Starting with the quantitative reasoning section. In quantitative, we need to consider three most important books. The first one that is highly recommended and being used by many students who are preparing for bank PO is the Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal. This book is the most precise and the best book to prepare for bank PO. Why are we recommending this book to you? The reason behind this is there are certain number of chapters which has good number of examples and quality questions that are also present in their workbook with detailed solution. That's why many students prefer this. Let's talk about the second book. It's the Magical Mathematics book by the writer Mr. M. Tyra. This book has a very special section in it, that is tricks to solve mathematics in less time by some formulas that you generally do not know, but if you use those formula, the time to solve question get reduced. So this book is also recommended for every student preparing for bank PO. And the last one that has recently come into the minds of many people who are reading and preparing for quantitative section for bank PO exam. The book name is Quantitative Aptitude by Rakesh Yadav. This book has been divided into two sections, the basic mathematics and the advanced mathematics. The basic mathematics is important for your bank PO examinations, and if you are preparing for SSC examinations, then you can consider the advanced mathematics. So these three books, that is R.S. Agarwal, the M. Tyra, and the last one by the Rakesh Yadav book, are highly recommended and suggested by your expert from jobnews.today. Go through them and clear the section of quantitative reasoning in the best possible way. Let's come to the next section, the reasoning part. How to cover the reasoning part for your bank PO examination. In the reasoning section, we have some other books. There are great publishers involved in this to prepare the best quality content for preparing for bank PO. Apart from the best qualities, we are going to shortlist out three best books for you all, which you can read and also recommend your friends to get and fetch the best marks in reasoning section. So the first book for reasoning is A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal by R.S. Agarwal. Yes, again R.S. Agarwal sir is back with his reasoning section book. In quantitative, we have got his book. In reasoning also, you will have to read and go through the same book again. The reason behind going through the reasoning book of R.S. Agarwal is it has got the largest number of solved and unsolved questions both, and the added flavor to this is you will get solved problems in the workbook examples also. So it's really a great book to prefer for your bank PO examinations. Next book comes, its name is Analytical Reasoning by M.K. Pandey. This book is again the best book if you are preparing for reasoning section. The best part is the puzzles part that it contains. You can go through the best examples of puzzles and can crack the puzzle section in your both pre and mains examinations. If you want your reasoning section to be the strongest section, then I'll be recommending you the third book. The name is A New Approach to Reasoning Non-Verbal Analytical by Indu Sijwani and B.S. Sijwali. It's an Arihant publication book, which is again awesome, an outstanding book if you want to make your reasoning section to be the strongest section in this examination. It is recommended both for mains as well as pre. So again, I will be concluding the three most important for reasoning. The first one was by R.S. Agarwal itself, the second one by M.K. Pandey, and the third one of the Arihant publication, as I said in the earlier video. You can again go to jobnews.today website to check the list of these books and can purchase from any e-commerce website like Amazon's, we have already given the links on our website. You just need to log on to jobnews.today, or you can also search on Google best book to prepare for bank PO exams. Okay, so now let's move to the third section, the most haunting section for any aspirant who is preparing for bank jobs, the English section. So let's talk about the three most important books you need to prefer if you want to fetch the best marks possible for the English section. The first book which our experts have recommended for you all is A Mirror of Common Errors by Ashok Kumar Singh. This is the highly recommended book if you want to fetch the best marks from your error detection section. The error detection section is the difficult and the most marks fetching section also. It has, if you generally find the question paper, you'll find 10 questions, out of which if you solve 10 questions, you'll easily fetch 6 marks or 5 marks if you are an average English student. So if you want to improvise and fetch even more better marks than just a mere 5 number, then I'll recommend you to go through this book. That is A Mirror of Common Error by Ashok Kumar Singh. If you want to advance your English vocabulary or knowledge or skills in your English language, then there are 2 other more books that I'm going to recommend you in this video. That is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. You must have seen this book name everywhere over the internet, lying and talking and speaking out loud that yes, I am the best book. We also believe the same. This book has got a very good content to help you fetch the best marks possible in your English section. Do not miss it out. The last book which I am going to recommend you for best book for English to crack IBPS PO exam is Objective English by S.P. Bakshi. This book is also flavoring and mouth-watering English subject book. By flavoring and mouth-watering subject, I mean this is a subject. This is a book that is going to help you in every possible section that you need to gain a knowledge about English. So this is a highly recommended book from the experts of jobnews.today. Again, I'll be reviewing the 3 books that I just now mentioned for English section. The first is A Mirror of Common Error by Ashok Kumar Singh, Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis, and the last book is Objective English by S.P. Bakshi. So these 3 books are highly recommended for English section if you want to crack the best marks for your English section. If you still have doubt, you can again log into jobnews.today and check the list of these books on our website. These 3 sections would be there in your pre-examination. But once you clear your pre-examinations, then comes the most important part of the examination, the mains. The mains examination that has 200 marks plays the vital role in clearing your examination of bank PO. In this mains examinations, we have 2 more added sections, the computer awareness and the general awareness. You are already done with the preparation of quant, reasoning and English. Now what you need to focus is your computer awareness section and your general awareness section. For computer awareness section, I am going to recommend you 3 most important books that are very important. So the very first book for computer awareness is your Arihant publication book. You can just go to market and find out this book very easily. You just need to visit a shop, ask the person, Arihant book publication computer awareness book, you'll get it very easily. The quality of that book is you'll get the best content. Every section is being covered as per the bank PO examination. So our expert from jobnews.today recommend you this book for preparing and covering the best possible content for computer awareness. Lastly comes your general awareness section. There is no certain books which is going to help you out in your general awareness. There is only one key mantra to crack the general awareness section, and that is go through our website general awareness section. we are giving you out many other section possible. So you can just go and note down daily general awareness GK update sections every time you visit the jobnews.today website. Apart from that, you can also prefer other good websites also, so that you can create a database of current affairs every day and revise it in a cyclic process so that you do not forget it. So here is the ending of this video. I hope you all got the best possible resources that you can use for preparing for Bank PO examination. For any doubt, you can log into our website's discussion forum, that is jobnews.today/ask. This website will help you clear all your doubts. You can ask any questions. Our experts are live over there. You can ask any question and get answers for that thing in real time. For more details about books, you can visit our websites. And you can also be a regular visitor of our YouTube channel, jobnews.today. That's all from our side. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you and have a successful career ahead.